What's up, Brite Nation? Now we are at Trail Hero 2023, and although by the time you see this video, Trail Hero is probably long and over with, right now it's live for us, and we are currently at the LCQ, the last chance qualifier for the Trail Breaker. And this is something I always love showing you guys because some of these drivers and some of these rigs are so absolutely incredible. The drivers are so freaking talented and the rigs are so capable. It's almost mind-blowing, and I really like sharing it with you guys. Check this out. What a save!
So we keep going forward over here. And you guys just have to look to your left.
Start working the start of the
Coming right on out, man. Looking good.
Dude, he has 8 minutes left. He landed on all 4 tires. As long as he's okay, and as long as the rig is okay, he can keep going. That's crazy.
This is a Beatles song all of a sudden. This freaking guy, I love it.
Oh, man, that's a highlight again.
Come on. Work it. Oh, man. Gotta get that car.
Time out. All right, everybody.
Man, what a heck of a run. So remember, this is the LCQ, this is the last chance qualifier for the Trail Breaker. Now what that means is they're literally qualifying to run the Trail Breaker, and the Trail Breaker competition is where they break a trail that has never been done before. The stuff that they do is just absolutely insane. As you can see, no one's made it up that last V-notch just yet, and that's because it's really freaking hard. And these are some of the best drivers, like buggy drivers in the nation.
Yeah, this is entry. I mean, some guys going forward, some guys going backwards.
Doing some landscaping there. That's gonna change things up.
He looks like a little maniac coming down that.
Yeah.
Still coming.
Let everybody find out what just happened there. That happens on national train.
Yeah, really go out there. Nice and calm, always just sitting in the car looking good. And like you were saying, guys, you know, that first obstacle, so we've seen a couple drivers back down already. We've seen a couple drivers go forward. That really just has to do with what the car setup is. Not necessarily advantage to one line or the other.
Well, we really got, there's no points for backups like there is in truck competition or the other sections out there. But they just cannot hit the gate flag. If you hit a gate flag with any part of your vehicle that includes the width, you are disqualified. Run over the. You also can't go to the boundary area. But other than that, whatever they want. Get after it, so it's that bad.
Nah, really both guys.
Sure.
We got to do a little relay with them earlier on the revamp cars.
You see what happened?
Had Randall driving it for a while.
Yeah.
sucks, but also it doesn't, because if everyone ends up running out of time, it's based on how far you got. And I believe so far, out of all the competitors, he's made it the farthest up that final track. Cameras just never do it justice, but it's pretty insane.
I saw this thing coming down the road the other day. It's so funny to see the little movement. It's a big asymmetric cage. It's coming down the road. Like, oh my God, that guy just really angry. With the best drivers in the world in the rock crawling zone, trying to get a spot in the big show. But those dogs have been in the fight.
You know what, I'm going to say right now, I'm up going one.
So, making his way up here. He's been here before.
Gnarly section is stripping everybody up. And I believe he's running a full cooler of, and he's going for some throttle.
Very interesting. He takes the bump right there.
Over that slippery rock. He's getting up there.
Yeah! Come on, keep that river right there. Don't give it away yet. Don't give it away yet. There he is. What an effort here.
And with that, he ran out of time. He was close. I think he might have gotten the furthest up the hill thus far.
Drivers in the world, among others, and just always out on the trail, and whether it's in competition form or
He's a motivating young man. He is very competitive.
Not wasting any time.
Going back to Trailbreaker a few years back when we had Jacob Reeves, basically about how wild it is.
So y'all are watching it?
Little by little, patience, and guess what? Here comes that front end.
Oh, man.
Nice calm save.
There's speed time.
Nice calm save by Jacob. He's got almost 6 minutes to keep playing here, so he's been here before. We'll see if he can get up and get that thing rear up over that. 30 seconds to go.
He's getting it. He's going for it.
Let's get that big car up here. Come on.
And the trucks are getting after it. 4-seater Dune. Come on. He's trying, Papa. He's trying.
Just stay on track, man. We've seen. Here we go. I'm up there.
Doing it. Yeah, Yeah, keep doing it again. Launch it. Go, 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 go. Yeah, come on. You have it. Oh, they all get right there and they stop.
Ran out of time.
Damn it. Every single buggy that gets right there, they change what they're trying to do.
He's the first one that's really trying to send it that
Right, but if you keep sending it a few times, it's going to clear off the sand.
Put rubber down.
And you'll put rubber down. So if you would have got there way earlier and he kept trying that, but every buggy that's gotten there has gotten there and they've done it once or twice and they back down and then do something different. Once you clear off the sand and the loose rock, you'll actually make it.
Well, ideally, you should actually
They
make
will.
it because you're going to increase your traction every single time. I think he's gotten the closest. That was pretty sick.
Even like the good guys have gotten up that far and then they change. They try shooting across the rock and then they don't go anywhere.
The steering in the rear, and then now he's in basically.
Oh
That is officially the first out of all of them that have made it all the way up. That was pretty sick. And it looked like he hugged the right side instead of hugging the wall. Going straight up, he sent it, but he hugged the ledge, which is something not many other people have attempted yet. And it looked like that was the key, is just to full send and ride that ledge.
go through that the way he wanted to, but he did get through it. And I got a side note on
couple people made it all the way through, but basically the top 5 will move on to the actual trail breaker itself. This is just day 1 of Trail Hero in general. So much to do. Look.
We got 3 more.
Love it here. But like I said, that's just day 1 of Trail Hero. There is a whole week ahead of us, so expect a lot more rad content, off-roading content, Jeep content, etc. over the course of the next several weeks. Anyways, guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Remember, you can find all your Lite Brite Nation merch and decals at litebritstudios.com. As always, we love you, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye, guys.